Page number 49 of your English textbook, Beehive textbook. Now no one is going to speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Page number 49. It is paragraph number 12. Paragraph number 12. Let us read it. I'm going to read it and you are going to read it at your home, but your audios will be mute. Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame. In 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. Einstein was moving forward. He had married Mileva, but because of their constant fights, he got divorced with her, and then he married his cousin, his wife's cousin, right? His wife's cousin, Elsa, in the same year. And then what happened in 1915? He was interested in science. He was there to introduce something new in the gravitational force. So what he did, he published the general theory of relativity. उसने वो theory बनाई, relativity की जो theory थी उसने publish करवाई, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. तो ग्रेविटी को एक नई दिशा मिल गई, ठीक है. ग्रेविटी कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, न्यूटन ने तो हमें बताया था कि ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स होता है. फिर आइंस्टाइन ने और ज्यादा उस पे ग्रेविटी पे खोज की. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. Now this interpretation, उसकी जो theory कब पास हुई, जब एक eclipse, sun का eclipse 1919 में आया, मीन्स जब सूर्य ग्रहण 1919 में आया, तब उनको वो पता चला कि जो भी आइंस्टाइन ने थ्योरी बनाई थी वो करेक्ट है, क्योंकि उन्होंने वो
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
मैं आपकी आवाज कट रही है. हेलो 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 मैम, आपकी आवाज कट रही है.
माय इंटरनेट
हेलो
कनेक्शन इज अनस्टेबल. इंटरनेट कनेक्शन यहाँ का अनस्टेबल है.
मैं आपकी आवाज कट रही मैम. हेलो.
हाँ जी, अनस्टेबल है कनेक्शन, इंटरनेट कनेक्शन अनस्टेबल है यहाँ.
अबे जोर से नहीं कट रही है क्या? जोर से.
Shall I start now?
मैं आपकी आवाज कट रही है मैम.
So shall I wait for another minute? Are you able to hear?
Yes, yes, now.
Now are you able to hear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Einstein introduced.
Yes, ma'am.
Einstein introduced a theory of gravitation, general theory of relativity, which gave the new interpretation to gravity in the year 1915. And in 1919, when this theory was applied, when the eclipse, sun eclipse came, at that time this theory was applied, and it was confirmed that the theory is accurate. Theory uski perfect hai, accurate. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. Means he has made all the calculations. What will be at what time the sun's gravity or the sun's light is going to fall on the earth. What time the stars, yes, from the fixed, what time the light will be reflected from the stars. Everything he has given the complete calculation of the eclipse, and the same way it has worked also. The newspapers proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. His name was heard in every corner. He became a famous man because of this theory of gravitation, because of this new interpretation of gravitation. And then his paper was also selected, his paper was also published, and then this in newspapers, his name was highlighted as a scientist. His name and his theory was highlighted as a scientific revolution. कि कुछ साइंस में बहुत ज्यादा चमत्कार हो गया है, साइंस में कुछ अलग सा इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया है. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Then after 2 years, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics. That means in 1921, he was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press. Then at that time in 1921, from every nook, every corner, everyone was honoring him, everyone was giving him good wishes, and he was being invited to many of the colleges, to many of the universities for lectures, and for encouraging the students, for motivating the students, and he was even lauded by the press, means he was even praised by the press. Okay? When the Nazis, now let us come to 14th paragraph, paragraph number 14, page number 49. When the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, then in 1933 there was the power of Nazis. Nazis people were overruling Germany. तब नाजीज लोगों का वहां पर रूल चल रहा था जर्मनी में. आइंस्टाइन immigrated to the United States. तो आइंस्टाइन ने क्या किया? He got immigrated, means he got migrated. वहां से वो शिफ्ट हो गया, ट्रांसफर हो गया, because he no longer wanted to stay in a bondage with Nazis, under Nazis. Therefore, he thought that I'm not going to stay in Germany anymore. I'll leave Germany and go to US. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. Then there also he had not stopped there. He went on inventing something new. He went on with his scientific theories, and then with the American physicists, there were the groups of scientists, physicists, American physicists. With them, he has worked. He had worked there, and the work was in great row. Means पूरे जोरों शोरों से उनका काम वहां पर चल रहा था. And what was that work? It was a discovery of nuclear fission. Nuclear fission के ऊपर उनका काम चल रहा था. Many of them had fled from fascism just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. But there also in United States also वो काम तो कर रहे थे, but they were upset also because the Nazis were controlling US too. वहां पर भी आके नाजीज का वहां पर राज चलने लगा था, तो सबको वहां पर डर लगने लगा था. तो वहां से भी यूएस से भी बहुत सारे जो साइंटिस्ट से थे या लोग थे, वहां से भी वो फ्लाई मीन्स भागने लगे थे नाजीज के डर से. Because they were afraid that Nazis anytime they can throw the atomic bomb on US. उनको ऐसे लग रहा था कि कभी भी एटम बम हमारे ऊपर गिर सकता है, इसलिए वो एक सिक्योर प्लेस पे जाना चाहते. At the urging, page number 50, paragraph number 15. At the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd August 1939, in which he warned a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. Now, Einstein was really much concerned of the city. He did not want that Nazis should they should destroy the city with the atomic bomb. And then what he did, he took the initiative to write to the president, who Einstein. He told that I have to do something now, as Nazis are nearly they are capturing us. They are they are trying to kill us. We have to do something. So Einstein wrote a letter to the American president on 2nd August 1939. What he has told that single bomb, this atomic bomb is really very dangerous. If you think that it is going to destroy single port, no, it is not going to destroy the single port. It is going to destroy the surrounding territories also. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये जो एटॉमिक बॉम्ब का जो इफेक्ट रहेगा वो यहाँ पर ही रहेगा, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. एटॉमिक बॉम्ब का जो इफेक्ट रहेगा वो सराउंडिंग के, उसके आसपास की जो नेशंस हैं, उसकी सराउंडिंग्स की जो टेरिटरीज हैं, उनको भी वो हिला कर रख देगा, क्योंकि ये एटॉमिक बॉम्ब बहुत ही पावरफुल था. ठीक है, तो उसने वार्न करके रखा था, क्योंकि उसको कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस पता थे कि ये अगर एटॉमिक बॉम्ब हमारे देश पे गिरा तो क्या इफेक्ट हो सकता है. He was already aware of the consequences. He was knowing what particles or of what that atomic bomb is made up of, and how much range or how much capacity it is having to destroy. His words did not fail to have an effect. The Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own and dropped it on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. Then what had happened with the influence of his words? Because Einstein has spoken the words to the American president. It really affected. It really created. It created some place in the president's heart, and he decided something. The president decided something to do. What he decided? He selected a secret agency to make an atomic bomb. एक पावरफुल एटॉमिक बॉम्ब आप लोग बनाइए. अमेरिकन से कहा कि हम सारे अमेरिकन से एक सीक्रेट एजेंसी रखेंगे या सीक्रेट ग्रुप रखेंगे जिसमें एटॉमिक बॉम्ब बनाएंगे और हम वो नागासाकी और हिरोशिमा पे गिरा देंगे. उनका ये प्लान था कि कोई हमें नाश करने आए इससे पहले हम उन्हें ही नाश कर दें. आई बात समझ में आपको? Americans were afraid that they will be killed with this atomic bomb, and hardly any human being will be existing after this atomic bomb effect. Then the president has thought that before they kill us, why don't we kill them? Why don't we drop atomic bomb on their country, on their cities? So in the year 1945, in August, the atomic bombs were dropped in the cities of Nagasaki and Hiroshima, and still that means that war, that atomic bomb effect is it is creating influence in our mind that how dangerous it was. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction. Einstein did not like this, that so many people are affected because of this atomic bomb reaction. This time he wrote a public missive to the United Nations. Now what he did, he wrote one letter to the United Nations. This time he's writing to United Nations. A letter he's writing. In it, he proposed the formation of a world government. What he told, that we want the world government. World government means the government comprising the government who is able to take the decision for the whole world. ऐसे ही सिर्फ आपकी गवर्नमेंट हमारी गवर्नमेंट ना हो, एक ही पूरे देश की एक गवर्नमेंट हो जो सारे देश का भला सोचे. Unlike the letter to Roosevelt, this one had no impact. जैसा उसने लेटर रूजवेल्ट को लिखा था, जब अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट को लिखा था, वो बहुत इम्पैक्ट हो गया था उसके ऊपर. और अमेरिकन रूजवेल्ट ने तो फिर बॉम्ब्स गिरा दिए थे हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी पे, पर इस पे यूनाइटेड नेशंस के प्रेसिडेंट पे कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ा. But over the next decade, Einstein got ever more involved in politics. Now, over the next decade means over the next 10 years. Decade is a period of 10 years, right? So, 10 सालों में वो politics में join हो गया Einstein. Agitating for an end to the arms building up and using his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. So at that time we see there was no independence. All the people were living in fear, and means they were not having that what do you call? They were not having that courage to come up. The people were so much afraid. They were not having any courage to come up and to fight against the enemies. What Einstein did at that place, Einstein was standing in the politics, and then he took his hands, he raised his hands to for peace and democracy. तो वहाँ पर उसने शांति लाई, डेमोक्रेसी लाई, जहाँ पर पब्लिक का इन्वॉल्वमेंट हुआ. When Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76, so he died in the age of 70, at the age of 76 in the year 1955. He was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen because he was too much famous, who was caring for his public, who was caring for the citizens. Visionary means he had the vision. He had in his mind that he has to do something. As much as a scientific genius. So he was recalled as scientific genius, a visionary person, and a world citizen. Okay. These three names were given to Einstein. Did you understand the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See. Let us continue the next part now. Thinking about the text.
मैम बाद में करेंगे
क्या बाद में? सिर्फ मैं समझा देती हूँ, आप घर में कर लेना. ठीक है?
अरे मैम अब कल रखना का मैम.
Thinking about the text. Thinking about the text. I'll just explain you. आपको क्या करना है? Here are some headings for paragraphs in the text. टेक्स्ट में आपको दिया है कि कुछ हेडिंग्स दिए हैं आपको यहाँ पर. राइट द नंबर्स ऑफ द पैराग्राफ्स फॉर ईच टाइटल अगेंस्ट द हेडिंग. अब वो जो लाइन है या वो जो पैराग्राफ, वो जो लाइन है किस पैराग्राफ में आई है वो आपको बताना है. ठीक है? जैसे आइंस्टाइन इक्वेशन आपको 9th पैराग्राफ में बताया है, वैसे आइंस्टाइन नीड्स हिज फ्यूचर वाइफ. आइंस्टाइन नीड्स हिज फ्यूचर वाइफ कौन से पैराग्राफ में बताया गया है, वो पैराग्राफ आपको लिखना है. तो पैराग्राफ जानने के लिए तो आपको पूरा स्टोरी फिर से रीड करना पड़ेगा ना, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कौन से पैराग्राफ में ये लाइन इंक्लूडेड है जिसमें आइंस्टाइन अपने वाइफ के साथ मिलता है. द मेकिंग ऑफ अ वायोलिनिस्ट, कि वो वायोलिनिस्ट कभी बना, कौन से पैराग्राफ में मेंशन्ड है. गिव मी सम एग्जांपल्स. कभी वो वायोलिनिस्ट बना, पैराग्राफ नंबर 3 में देखिए. दिया है वहां पर, he started to learn violin there.
Yes, ma'am.
तो पैराग्राफ नंबर 3 में दिया है ना. हाँ जी. देन व्हाट एल्स. मिलेवा एंड आइंस्टाइन.
अब क्या कल रखना का मैम?
हाँ
अब कल रखना का मैम, आंखें भी दुख रही है इसलिए.
अच्छा ठीक है, आप ये खुद कर लेना. आपको एक लेसन रीड करना है और फिर आपको फाइंड करना है कि कौन से पैराग्राफ में ये इंसिडेंट हुए थे या ये इवेंट.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है जी.
बाय मैम.
करना.
बाय मैम.
ठीक है, बाय बाय.